YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Lodi, man, back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's been showing that support, man. I definitely appreciate all of y'all. Remember to leave a comment, hit that like button, and share the video with whoever you want, you feel me? Also, you know what I'm saying, put them on, you know what I mean? They might need, you know what I mean? Don't let your friends walk around with their hair looking trash, you know what I mean? Don't do that. But either way, y'all already know what it is. I got this shea butter that I showed you guys is one of the products I use. And like I said, this is going to be an easy way to start to train your hair and get better waves on your downtime. I say this is more so for your downtime to do this. I'm looking. If y'all see me looking this way, this is legit just where the mirror is. Feel me? It's just where the mirror is. Where the hell? Okay. So boom, got my brush. And what I was gonna tell you guys is another thing you can use, which is very helpful, is a timer, guys. A timer. So all you're gonna do is take the timer, set it to 5 minutes, boom, and you're just gonna for 5 minutes brush this one side right here. Alright, when that timer goes off, then you know you're gonna switch sides. But this is boom. So you can see, oh yeah, with it. So pretty much for 5 minutes straight, you brush that pattern down. Pretty much, like I said, I do that because it's like you're training your hair, and it's for a certain duration. When I first started it, I was doing it for 3 minutes. So if you want to do it for 3 minutes, it's a shorter time. So until you get used to it, then, you know what I'm saying, just do it that way. But if you want to just jump into it and see that progress much sooner, do 5. 5 minutes is definitely going to get you that progress much quicker. But yeah, let's get back into it. Another 5 minutes. So you can see it's right here. Boom. And now you just brush the top. Alright, so you did it. Let's see, we did it here. No, where did we do it? Oh, we did it over here. We did it here. And we did it here. So, I mean, we're going to do it here now. So, it's pretty much 15 minutes. It's actually 20 minutes when you do the back. If you do the back, sometimes I skip the back. I'm not going to lie to you. I'll keep it 100 with you. But I do the back, you know, when I can or when I feel like it. Yeah, so when I do this, it's literally just because I want to get back on track. So this is like something you can do to bounce back and literally get your waves back on point. And boom. So after you do that, you're going to jump into the third side, which is pretty much this side. And you're gonna use this method as pretty much a bounce back, you know what I'm saying, just to get your waves back into pattern, get your hair whipped into training again like that. So once again, like I said, we're gonna jump into it. Waste no time. Another 5 minutes on the clock. Boom. Let's get it. So here. So after I do all of that, man, I wrap my hair, I put the do-rag on, I put a second compression on, and my hair pretty much usually bounces back. You can see it yourself. This is just after a straight up brush session. And I only used one thing in my hair. So there you go. That's that. Shout out to everybody who actually subscribed to the channel. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, you already know what to do, man. Spam it up in the comments. Hit that like button so we could keep on rocking with these videos, feel me? So let's get popping. What was that? What was that? Let's get popping. What was that? What was that? What was that?